This is a 2004 water heater. Here's the anorod. That is usually thicker than this. Here's the bottom of the anorod. That's the sacrificial rod to keep it from leaking. That's where it would have been leaking. This was on the 4th floor of a condo, and it's over 20 years old. That's crazy. How do you take these out? These are the heating elements. No way that's spinning. Oh, there's a little cutout tutorial of that's the cold feed in, the heating elements, the anorod, which is basically gone, and the hot water. And look at how look at how cruddy that is. That's all in the water.